Good morning, Mr. Riboyar.
Sir.
Are you appointed on the case?
We got the case.
I know, but you're appointed on the case, yet he's wearing $1,000 Louis Vuitton hoodie.
Well, no, Judge, we had
Nobody believes that, bro.
a discussion about that. It's just a print, but it's not the actual.
Come on,
No,
man.
I'm looking at it. I made a comment about it. It's just
It's a $10 shirt. I mean jacket.
It's a Louis Vuitton hood over.
Fake. It's not actual Louis Vuitton.
Judge, I don't want to bring this up, but there,
Oh, is that weed on there?
Yeah, it's $10.
Smoke weed every day.
Bought it at the mall. This is not $1,000.
So it's even better look that you wear a weed hoodie.
It's the only jacket I had, and it's cold in here.
Judge, he's wearing a muscle shirt. That's why he had to wear it.
You have to make better decision, Mr. Riboyar. Coming in a weed hoodie, that's just, really. Not only that, you're now pleading to a DWI. This DWI is going to go on your record. You're pleading to time served, meaning that you're going to get out of here with a slap on the wrist, a proverbial slap on the wrist. You will never get another slap on the wrist. From now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. No matter what you do, no matter what case you pick up, a minimum of 30 days in jail. So if you get out of here, you get into a car, you have a drink, you smoke, and you get pulled over, what do you think is going to happen? Right. This DWI will trail you for the rest of your life. It's even there after you die, Mr. Riboyar. You get pulled over, they're going to see it. They're going to harass you like the Wicked Witch of the West. Do you understand?
Sir.
You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, or possible immigration consequence, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization, you give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to something, you can never take it off, you can never change it, undo this, you're stuck with this forever. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated?
Plead guilty.
I will find you guilty. I'm going to suspend your license for 180 days, sir. Do not drive until you get a license. I'm telling you. You ever get pulled over and you smell like weed, you're going to be right back over here. I have jurisdiction over you for the next 5 years. You come back here with a new DWI, I'm going to light you up. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Make smart moves. Thanks. How can there be a bond violation? This is the first setting, right?
Yeah, because the magistrate gave her the interlock.
Oh, okay, well, then she goes with you then. Yeah, I mean, you were ordered by the magistrate to obtain an interlock. You didn't get it.
I thought she showed up today.
Jeremiah, what day was she supposed to have it?
When she got the witness about the 7th, she was supposed to have it about the
It says here, and you signed these conditions, defendant shall have the device installed on the vehicle owned or most regularly driven by the defendant within 2 calendar days of the defendant's release on bond. I'm sorry?
They told me that I was supposed to show up today to use it.
She goes with you, and then let's appoint her someone, and then she can talk to the lawyers.
Yeah.
Come up. You were lucky that no one died in that ordeal and that you're not charged with intoxication manslaughter, because then you would be facing up to 20 years in prison time you drive. Do you understand? Thanks, Judge.
Thank you, Judge. So he's gonna tell you his conditions.
Yeah. We'll see that, John.
Maybe it's his Judge. Maybe it's his Judge.
No, I thought your lawyer was
I'm
ready.
here, Judge.
Okay, are you here?
Yes. Yes, sir, I'm here.
The course doesn't even start till May 13th.
No, Judge, that's what she did yesterday to change it all. I sent another email to Mr. Pavel.
Over my eyes. You are forum shopping for pills. I have now put you on the list. And you have 2 times gotten a prescription. I talked to the compliance officer with one of the doctors. He told me you have a prescription for 120 oxy from 12/6/22. And then you had another prescription from January 23 for another 100 pills of oxy. I'm going to have you every Monday and Thursday come here and test. And the next time you test positive, I'm going to hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days in jail, probate it for 2 years, and put you in a rehab program. Do you understand? You are not to take any drugs, but no more controlled substances, whether prescribed or not. And the next time you have been advised what's going to happen. You will sign an affidavit with me right now, promising me that you're not going to take any prescribed or controlled medications. Do you understand? You are now on your 3rd bond violation as it stands now. The next one, I'm going to light you up. Do you understand, Miss Mathis? I'm up to here. If you don't have proof the next time you come here that you've done NA classes, Narcotics Anonymous, you're going to stay with me. You please swear to this. Okay. Please, Miss Mathis. That's it. This is the last ditch effort, huh?
Absolutely.
I won't entertain anything else. That's it. Okay?
Yes, Judge, understood. Yes,
All right. All right, Chisholm, you're the best.
Thank you, my big excuse.
Thanks.
So Judge,
Yeah, would you mind?
yeah, yes, sir, I'll be
To
here
him and
Monday.
talk to him and figure out what's going to happen.
Yes, sir. I can't imagine that the state would only go on this year with that pending, so.
I don't know, because it's a false report. I mean, I don't know how, if it was a, DWI, that's one thing, but the false report with a crime of dishonesty, they may want to, I don't know. So we'll see, whatever. Hey, Chisholm and Lori, sorry, there was a mess up with Zoom, and so I didn't see you guys,
Yes, yes, sir.
but I got you now.
Thank you.
Hey. Chisholm, tell me, what's up?
Your Honor, we're on Miss Mathis.
Say it.
Elijah Coates, my young guy, he was reset from a couple weeks ago to show proof he enrolled in GED. I got him a social worker through MAC. He did
Wonderful.
enroll in who helped him enroll in the Harris County Adult Education Department GED program. Orientation.
Enrolled?
I got the proof.
Money.
Social worker confirmed. So he's enrolled. I think it starts in July though, right?
I don't think we've gotten a bond violation lately, right?
No.
Wonderful.
We brought him to make sure he enrolled and I got.
Great job, Mr. Coates. Just keep it up. Don't mess up. Don't test positive, and then things are going well. Great.
Next question, do you want his appearance required for the next setting? We're waiting on
No,
that.
we'll just waive it. Unless he's doing well, then waive it. The only thing we need is to make sure that he's on the right track. If he's doing well, then we'll waive it.
Thanks, Judge.
Where are we with our case, though?
Just waiting on the weed lab. It's a new case. 2 months old.
Okay, great. Thanks, Shreya. Good job, Mr. Coates. You're doing good. Just keep it up. Coates. Oh, it was Mathis. It's not on docket. She was supposed to be here Tuesday. I wanted to bring you out, Miss Mathis, because since it's your case, it's only fair that you hear what's going on with everything, right? You were supposed to appear Tuesday.
Well, I wasn't notified of it. And then my children, I have 2 children that had to be rushed to the hospital as well.
You knew, hold on, we do what, every Monday
Every Monday and Thursday.
and Thursday. We had also asked you to do what, AA classes as well, correct?
Yes,
Okay. Tell me what you've done.
and I'm taking NA classes. That's 3 times a week.
Where's the proof?
I need some of that email. It's online. It's through Zoom.
I told you I want proof. I'm not gonna take anything, just your word. You know, and we need proof that it was actually done.
The email.
Can you email that to me, Ms. Mathis?
And send it to Ms. Chisholm so that she can take a look.
And like I had told you, Judge, I had asked the class coordinator myself for those emails, the proof of her coming, and they wouldn't release it to me because I'm not the person going.
I'm not gonna accept anything other than proof, and I've told her this multiple occasions, you know. There are ways to get proof when you go do it. And if you
Oh,
don't
yes,
have
Judge.
it, then-
Yes, Judge. I'm sure that she has it. I'm just saying that I don't, even though I requested
Yeah,
them.
so let's
class
do this.
coordinator.
I'm gonna put you in back for now. Get the proof to Ms. Chisholm, and then
Okay.
she'll show me whenever, and then we'll address it
I'm saying
then.
it this way. Now it's supposed to be.
That's okay. That way we don't have to just keep you here waiting.
Okay, Judge. Judge, did you need?
Thanks,
anything
Chisholm. Just
else?
let me know.
I'll wait for her to send it, but did you need anything
Yeah,
else besides that from
problem.
me right now? Was there something else you needed from me right now for her case?
No, we're good. Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you, Judge. Okay, I'll wait.
Much later.
Yes, Judge, I just received a call from them saying that their system is down. They're not able to send it to her or me. Last time I emailed them, John wouldn't give me the email because I'm not her, but because it seems as though he's got some sort of authorization that he can send it to me. They let me know their system is down, so they can't send anything right now. It's like they do with AT&T, something is down. So I just got that call from them. Did you want their number to call?
You say that again?
I got a call from the NA class, one of the receptionists from them. They just told me that their system is down, so they can't send an email now. And I sent them
Okay.
multiple
So
emails.
I guess what I'll do is I'll postpone this tomorrow. She must
Okay.
be back here tomorrow. She must have every single AANA class that she's done from the date that I ordered her to do it to today. I will not take, can you bring out, please? I'm
If
not gonna
not, she
take
spends
any
a weekend in jail.
excuses. That's it. I'm done with the drama.
I agree.
Are we gonna address absence?
What absence?
May 6th, I think wasn't that the basis to revoke her anyway?
She was supposed to show up on Tuesday. I
Yes.
wasn't able to show up and she had emergencies to take care of as well. So none of us were able to show up and did I let the court know? I did. I called, I walked up, I believe to Ms. Brown and let her know that I wasn't able to make
Oh,
it
oh,
up.
oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, hold on a second. Let me talk to her about this because
Okay,
It's not, it's like a-
it's just too much.
it's a lot. Yes, Judge.
Too much.
That's contagious. Yeah.
And Pavel was May 7th, not May 6th. She showed up on May 6th.
Say that again?
It was May, she attended May 6th and then you asked her to come back May 7th.
Because she tested positive for benzodiazepine or something like that. She tested positive, remember? So we ordered her to come back Tuesday and she failed to come back.
Yes, the both of us did, Judge. The two of us did fail to come back. I
have literally bent over backwards not to revoke your bond. Literally bent over backwards. How many times have I let you skirt out of here without having done what you're supposed to do? What you're supposed to do? How many, Ms. Mathis?
3 times. You know, I'm going through something. My husband got killed in front of me. 32 days after I was released from prison last year. I'm going through a lot. I'm all my children have. I'm literally, I have 5 kids. And I can't do nothing without a vehicle. You got me coming to court every Monday and Thursday. I have to do classes 3 times a day, 3 times a week. I don't have no support.
Oh, boo-hoo. Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
Can you read the DWI, please? What happened on the DWI?
Judge, April 5th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a crash major. The impaired defendant caused a 5-car major accident.
5-car major accident.
Witness stated she observed the defendant passed out behind the wheel of her vehicle with multiple airbags deployed. Defendant was unable to maintain focus, balance, or even hold a conversation. Defendant was unable to control her eye movement, where at times her eyes slowly wandered towards her nose and oftentimes away from each other, as if she would not get a clear image of whatever she was looking at. The defendant's speech was so slurred it was hard to decipher her verbiage. Defendant was unable to blow into an intoxilizer as she was falling asleep while blowing and could not hold herself up. A DRE believed the defendant to be under the influence of a narcotic
Analgesic.
and was unable to operate the vehicle safely. The defendant admitted to taking 3 hydrocodone pills that day. Blood was drawn after a warrant was signed.
And how many DWIs is this?
Judge, we don't have so we have an out-of-county DWI from 2023. The disposition was unknown. I'm not sure if it's still open. But the DWI with a child was dismissed last year.
Therein lies my problem. It's a third, and it's a 5-car major accident. Luckily, no one was killed. All I asked you to do was not take any illegal pills, unprescribed controlled medication, and do NA classes. And I asked you to provide me proof and do it 3 times a week. You have been unable to show me that. I have literally reset your case over and over for you to get me that proof. You were supposed to be here today with the proof and you knew that. Do you have the proof?
He only sent me an email. He only sent me an email. That's all I have.
And I've been with the office judge and their system is down.
You were supposed to get it here beforehand, not the day that you're here. She goes with you.
I asked for one, but he sent me an email, he didn't have, it's a Zoom.
Sorry, Miss Mathis. I'm done. No more drama. I'm sorry, Miss Chisholm, but that's it. She was supposed to have it here. She knew it, and that's it.
No worries, Judge. Now, if I do get in the next 10, 15 minutes, can I email that over?
I'm always happy to look and entertain anything you have. I need her as well. Same thing right there, please. I need to know what she's done in the NA and AA classes as well, because she was ordered to do that as well.
Is this from a prior case?
Many prior cases.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yes, Judge. If it pops
Hey,
up.
Chisholm, just let me know.
Yes, sir, will do. My
Yeah,
basic.
and look, because it's getting late already as it is. So I can always address it with you tomorrow.
Of course.
I'm always happy to do that as well. So just keep me in the loop and let me know.